Yeah, you see that piece of land from right down there to how right out. And my farm up.
Oh, that's
And
your...
you know how much me have to pay man to plow around this place? And I set in the crop, sow carrot, and nothing. You better believe me.
Wow.
If you think I see them there.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Then just like that.
So you...
Whole farm round to come round.
Yeah.
I mean, I get nothing. And we have to pay the man almost about some $10,000. We pay him. And you see, wherever time you set in the crop, they have a rough time.
Yeah.
And they work there. And when you work out, you don't get no result.
Yes, so the labor is expensive.
Yeah, the labor expensive. Very much.
You say it's $5,000 per day.
Yeah, that's what they charge. I have to feed them.
Yeah, you have to give them lunch?
You have to.
Oh,
And
wow.
even from the one stop work from 2 o'clock, even if rain fall, they don't
So
want
it's
to
not
go
even a full day?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so what time would they start? Like 8 o'clock?
Even there, yeah.
So they would work like 8 to 2?
Right.
Wow, and that's
And if rain fall,
$5,000.
12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, that's it.
And you still have to pay for the full day? Oh, wow.
And now, them first one, you have to get them first one where they call it. You have to get them chicken.
So the first one is the one around 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
And what you give them to eat at that time?
They want chicken.
You mean
rice
chicken?
And chicken, yeah.
For the first one?
No, like, you know, like a bread and differently.
Oh, like bread and sardine?
Yeah, that's
or
what
maybe
they
oats and milk and those things?
But at the lunchtime now, they want chicken.
Rice and peas.
Chicken. You have to go by the restaurant if you don't cook a bush.
Yeah, so you have to go to the restaurant, go buy the food.
And they have a restaurant right up there.
Oh, so you'd buy it up there or you cook? And sometimes it's easier to go to the restaurant.
Maybe sometimes you don't have the time to cook and so might be rain.
Yes.
You just go by the restaurant, so for 3 or 4 of them, and a $500 for one food or 6, 7, depends on the food.
Oh, so if you have 6 people, roughly $3,000 for lunch alone, and you're not talking about juice.
No.
And you're not talking about the first one where you give them. Oh my God. So you have to give first one?
Yeah, you have to. And then I'll come back.
Oh, wow.
And I know your salon work, you know. Me work up, me have about 3 acres land up in the hills.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's going back up to the main road.
No,
and
you have to cross way up.
Way up.
You can drive go there. But you know, even when I drive.
Yeah. Because you drive a truck.
Yes,
right.
I'm in work. Yes. See me house, come up this way right.
Okay.
Come up. Come here, boy. Now come look, I'm here now. Oh, Father. Yes, so that road right there, you see now, and my house that's right there. So the road go up. So the cabbage where the guy carry, when he drive around now, he's going to go up and take you up wherever.
To the main road?
Just up the top there.
Okay.
But through the road kind of.
The road bad?
Yeah. And the last time the tractor did let it come down, but you know, the people them don't want to come together.
Yes, so cut the pay up and you know, everybody can just pay and cut the road.
That's right. So my house right there.
Okay, where the pink is, pink and green right here?
Right there.
Okay.
So now me park the truck right over. Come and show you.
Oh, you park the truck up there, so?
Come and show you when you park the truck. You see the house up there? Seat right up there. I'll go shed the right top side, and then I park the truck. And you can't go down my house. You know what I mean? My brother. So you go. So
okay, so this is your yam farm?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go right down now.
Right. So when you say you lose the things that you planted over there, what was it? Carrot and what?
And Irish potato too.
So you lose the Irish potato and you lose the carrot?
Right now the whole night I did farm up with carrot and the pea throw it down and
yes.
catch nothing.
Oh God, so you lose all the money you paid for labor.
I lose.
All of the seeds you planted and everything is gone.
Everything. Plus we had another about 3 acres up the top there and just the said thing.
Yeah.
Nothing.
So what you think caused that, Mr. Super?
Well, here what happened now. You know what happened with the farming? Sometimes at the season, you know.
Oh.
Yeah,
Plant the crop in the wrong season.
Yeah, not even the wrong season, fan. We have to wait on God.
That's true. That is true.
Yeah. Blessing. You know,
Yes.
when you put in the farm, you need rain and you need sun. So you just in between. And if you get enough rain, even right now, you have a problem. And even the carrot right now, if you plant the carrot and the Irish potato and you get a lot of rain like how we get it right now, you have a problem. And you know how the money if you buy the chemical from the chemical there.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes. I find that everybody though is saying that the chemical is so expensive. The chemical for the spraying and the fertilizer, it's expensive.
Expensive. So
And
much.
then too, I think maybe this is your cry as well, the fact that when the crop is ready, the price is not reasonable, so you really don't make anything off of it.
Even the yam like this, I want 50 a pound.
150 per pound for yam.
Yeah. Plus, it can't work out.
Yeah.
If a man dig a 100 yam for you, a $5,000 for 100 them a charge.
Oh, wow.
You see me? And you have to buy thick right now at $12,000 for one.
For 100.
For 100 yam stick.
Yes.
$12,000, you know. So you see you have it rough.
Yeah.
And it might, they near the ground, you have to pay man to drop it in again.
Yes. So everything that is associated with the farming, it costs you.
Yeah, it costs.
Because you have to buy the yam stick, you have to pay persons to carry it to the farm.
You know what I mean?
You have to pay to jam it.
Everything.
Pay to weed and maintain, and you know, when it's ready again, you have to pay to reap it and carry it to the road.
That's right.
Oh, wow. So, Mr. Super, with all these challenges, let me ask you, why do you keep doing farming?
You mean like me now? What? Me born in it.
Yeah, you're born in it. So that is, and you love it.
Yeah,
You love it.
until me can't do it no more.
Yes.
And me still have to apply, man, to do it. From me, people them know want me work on different things.
Yes.
So me still have to work, but I not feel no pain.
You not feel no pain. How old are you?
You tell me I'm 75.
You're 75.
See me right over the mill, in the house right there.
Yes. And you don't look like 75 though, you know.
Me tell her down there.
Yeah.
Me tell her.
Yes, so you tell me down there, but because our viewers and subscribers didn't hear, because at the time we were off camera.
Okay, you did.
Right, so that's why I ask you again, so they can know that you are actually 75.
Yeah. I mean, just paper. Yes.
And you've been doing farming all your life, you say?
All the time.
Yes.
Me born in a hit, so
Yeah.
me continue to do it until.
And that's why I asked the question, because you have a lot of farmers, they talk about the challenges and so on, and it's so difficult.
Okay.
So persons may want to know, you know, if it is so hard, why do you continue to do it? And that is why I ask you, you know. And many persons say, like you just said, it's what I know, it's what I've been doing all my life.
I don't have no more choice. You understand?
Yes.
And they say mother have, father have, happy the child that has his own.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
And me come born and see my daddy, he was a farmer. But he dead and gone long time.
Yes.
So it's in my blood. So I have to continue to do it until me can't do it no more.
Yes,
Okay.
I understand. You have a truck and you pick up, tell us what you do with the truck.
That is a good choice right now.
Yes.
Right now, if you want to give me a work, I go with it right now.
Okay.
Anyway, in Jamaica, Kingston, man, to go be a town.
Yes.
And me have red plate on the truck.
Okay, okay.
A nice truck, it right up there.
Oh, it's a green plate that you have on the
Yeah,
truck?
green plate.
Green plate, which means that you can move goods to and from. Yes.
Sometimes you might get to work, but not regular. So me no bother bust my brain with it. You understand?
Yes.
Me have it for me use.
Yes. But you still have it as a backup in case you're not making much from the farming, you can have something on the side.
That's right.
Yes.
And if you want to go to, if somebody give me a work, I want to go, one far move something, I go ahead.
Yes, yes.
And I mean driving, I don't get nobody for driving. Yeah.
So you're a strong man at this age.
Yeah.
You don't even look your age. You look like you're, you know, in your 60s.
That's what you were saying.
Yeah, yeah. And you, how long have you been married again?
Married for me at about I'm 19,
Oh,
20. And my wife was 17.
Oh.
Right now, if she gone, I want a church sister, you would have see her.
Oh, okay, okay.
We married from we young.
Yes.
The kids them big.
And you're still together.
Right now, right
Yeah.
now.
What keeps you going?
Please?
You know, what keeps you going in your marriage? Let us know as young people, because you
I'll
know.
show you what in life now. You see, when you're young, you know, easy to live a married life when you're young, you know. You have to conscious in yourself. You understand?
Yes.
When you're married, young, it goes a lot. There's a lot of enchantment out there. So you have to rule by your mind. Rule by yourself. And make you know, say, when you go to the church and pastor and married, you say, what's better for what's until death do part. So you have to check that in yourself and know that you married a wife. Me show you in life when you're young. From me born, I'm married. I come married and me born come say my father and my mother.
Yes.
And I never hear my daddy tell me my mother a bad word. I tell her no out loose word or liquor.
Yes.
And he come in and just say, I mean, of course, bad word.
Yes,
But
yes.
differently, if you trouble me bad, I march me bad.
Yes.
But me never come in and tell my wife a bad word.
Yes.
And me no come in and lick none of my children them.
Yes.
And if me go out and come in, you know, woman all over and she should have say something. It hurt me.
Yes.
Me no say nothing.
Yes.
Just take it easy. And little more, we love in the same way.
Yes, so you have to know how to communicate in a relationship
and you
for
go
it to
out,
last.
You go out, you know you must take some at your house. And you know, if you hide none for a wife.
Yes, you have to
like
share.
Money or anything, you hide your
Yes.
wife, you left everything, you know. And then life goes. It goes. But if you jumpy, you know where I will live.
Yes. So
that's why me I live right now.
Yeah.
You me tell me I'm married, I mean I have no problem.
Yes.
Until now. Okay. And my kids them big.
Yes. How many children?
3. But they
3.
big.
Yes. So you mentioned something that the pastor said for better or for worse.
That's
but
right.
I noticed these days for better we are there, but for worse we are gone.
Yeah. But I have to know to live the life.
Yes.
You understand? And I go to church. My wife a regular church one more me, but
Yes. So she
But
keep
still-
you grounded.
yeah, me still keep up. Yes, in the house right there.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
I mean, me
Yes.
born when me young, and there's a lot of enchantment out there, but I just thinking of myself much time.
Yeah.
And me no sleep out. You understand?
Yes.
Well, when you're young, you know, things are out there will enchant you, but you have to know yourself. You
Yes,
understand
you have to
me?
know what you want
Yeah.
because you have made your
But
choice.
if you live up to, if you have your home and you're married and you live up to our next one outside, it will give you trouble.
Yes.
And you have to know, say, so you rest, same way and go on and
Yes.
so tell. You know,
Yes. That's wonderful.
much people know it's not like that. Me married you know, me have one next woman out there and rare me come in and come beat you up and tell you dirty bad word. No,
Yes.
it not happen.
Yeah.
And if you live together and you understand each other, you will get along.
Yes.
You hear me tell you something more
Yes.
from me, a young boy?
Yes, sir.
All right. You get trouble from work.
Yes. Also, you used to travel far more. So, really, tell us about that. How many years did you travel on that program?
I plenty time now, about 20 times. I'm cut cane, me pick apple.
Yes.
I
Wow.
do everything.
Yes. Yes.
So, I give thanks that it make me a live right now and me,
Yes.
I understand. If me jumpy, it couldn't be like when me be young.
Yes. So you have to humble yourself.
And see, look at house there.
Yeah.
And then 200 me never get none from me people them. And
Yes.
they never have it. Me
Yeah.
People them did poor in the time growing up on a travel way. Mother and father did have. So
So you had to work hard to get your
right.
things. That's wonderful, Mr.
So
Super. You did well.
so me give thanks.
Yes.
Right now if me want to go in and go sit down for my veranda and say me nah go a bush. And my people them, they don't want me go a bush, but me still have to go.
Yes.
And me raise me animal and different, you know.
Okay. Awesome.
Me go look this yam there.
All right. Okay. In this farm.
Yeah, right here.
All
So
right.
you know have to walk. You have to go drive back round and meet her up. You understand?
But that
Travel as a
road.
team, super.
But that road
Oh, you
look
just have a
harder.
team?
Yeah.
No, you see the road, it's not far,
Cause that one wasn't bad coming up. Only the part where we jump over the thing.
Okay. Well, if me give you yam, you want walk back.
Right
over there.
here, so.
One-
Yes,
it's
man.
just a gully right there.
Yeah.
And you can drive back. When you go around there, you go see the cabbage when put it right up.
Okay. Right at the shop, close to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
church.
So
All
come
right.
me look the yam.
All right. Sure.
I didn't go me for me, but you want without you know.
Okay. Oh, so. Yeah.
Wow. Land.
Wow. Dig into it. That one never too far down, Mr. Super, at all. Yes, Mr. Super, so you were saying that you needed assistance with fertilizer. We have viewers and subscribers and persons will see you when you upload the video. So
Okay.
if there is anybody who is able to assist you with a bag of fertilizer or so, of course they'll reach out to us, or they can also reach out to you as well. So is the water on this piece I am now?
Water while it's still like.
Okay. Oh. So what type of dirt is this, Super?
This is call it black dirt.
Black dirt, okay.
So we stay, you know.
Oh, let me leave this first.
We have to do farming so we live in.
So you would have reaped yam from this farm already. I can see some of
Yeah,
them dig up.
we reap already.
Okay. So when you reap, you don't reap everything. You leave some in it.
Sometimes.
Oh, there's a lot of
I know
ants
the
in that
idiot
hill.
alone we work. We have one farm up to about 10,000 hill I am.
Wow, that's a whole heap. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of farm.
We have a lot of rain every day, you know.
Yes, yes.
Every day we have rain.
And that is why it's affecting the farm so much,
That's right.
especially the carrots and so on. This is also yellow yam.
Yeah, yellow, yeah.
Okay. Wow. That's a pretty piece of yam. Wow. Nice. That's a lovely piece of yam.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, wow. Nice.
All right. So you see all the yam hill, you know? We have to go get them dig back. We have to get man and dig them, you know? Take out the yam there.
Yes.
Take out those.
Oh, okay. I'll take these up. Wow.
You have to get man for dig all back this here.
Oh, wow. So you have to get persons to dig it back. Viewers and subscribers, look at this. Nice. Very nice. Thank you, Mr. Super.
Yeah, you're welcome here.
Wow.
Me I go town in the morning and me have to look piece of food fish.
Oh, you're going to Kingston in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're carrying up some yam
Yeah, for my daughter.
for your daughter. Okay. Wonderful. Wow, so super. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes, look at the yam, viewers and subscribers. Lovely. Mr. Super just gifted us pieces of yam. That's wonderful.
That's right.
Yes. So, Mr. Super, you're saying that if you get some assistance with the fertilizer, you would be grateful.
I'm well angry for it.
Yes, yes. So anybody out there can help Mr. Super with some fertilizer, you would be more than grateful, because a lot of the farmers, their cry is that the fertilizer is expensive. It's $14,000 per bag. Right. So if it's one, if it's two, Mr. Super will gladly appreciate it.
Welcome.
Yes, yes, sir. So thank you so much for accommodating us today, you know, talking with us and sharing your story.
Okay.
Right? And I hope that everything will work out for you in terms of your farm. And, you know, you say you're not feeling any pain. So even though they're saying that don't come to the farm, you're still coming because you're not feeling any pain. So we wish for you all the best. All right?
You don't feel no back pain.
You don't feel no back pain. And he's 75. Wow. All right. So until next time, viewers and subscribers, see you.
Thank you.
Much love and blessings. All right?
I wish you all the best.
Yes.